Let us learn the concept of difference between inside and outside. Ball inside the box. Ball outside the box. Boy inside the car. Girl outside the car. Dog inside the house. Dog outside the house. Children's inside the school van. Children's outside the school van. Mud inside the pot. Mud outside the pot. Clothes inside the washing machine. Clothes outside the washing machine. Money inside the wallet. Money outside the wallet. Fruits inside the basket. Fruits outside the basket. Chocolate inside the wrapper. Chocolate outside the wrapper. Toys inside the box. Toys outside the box. Ducks inside the pond. Ducks outside the pond. Books inside the school bag. Books outside the school bag. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more videos.